I'm just going to go straight to the point. I'm sure you can see it, and it's really simple, stunning, and beautiful. You are going to love how easy and fun this project is. I simplified it in a step-by-step tutorial, and this is perfect for anyone. Beading is also therapeutic, so it's a fun way of chilling. You understand? It's perfect for everyone. That's what I'm just trying to say. And it doesn't have to be if you're a professional, if you're an advanced beader, if you're a beginner. This is a very simple, easy, breezy project to make for yourself, for your loved ones. And in this season, it is the best gift ever you can give someone. Very thoughtful gift that you can give someone. Hi everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. You are passionate about beading, or you are curious about starting your own DIY journey, you're in the right place. Today, what we'll be talking about will be making a simple, elegant beaded bracelet, perfect for beginners. Grab your tools. The tools are not even much safe. Nah, small thing you need. Grab your tools. Let's dive right in. Here are the materials that you'll be needing, and this is a quick rundown of all that you will need. You understand? This is a continuation of that earring project here. So what you'll be needing will be assorted beads. These are the beads that I used, assorted beads. I wanted to work on a forest green, and my intent was just to get shades of green. After that, I'm going to use a beading wire. You can use a stretchy wire, you understand, a stretch cord. It then means that I'm going to also use a toggle and clasps. If you're using a stretch cord, you don't need all that, so you just need to tie the thing in a knot once you're done stringing all the beads. I like using beading wire at the same time using toggle and clasps. So toggle, we are going to pick on that. Then once you also need a cream bead to stop your beads from moving, you understand, or you want to create a kind of division spacing that looks very fashionable. So, and then you also need scissors. You also need beading needle. You see all those wrapped beads. Yes, I got some different shades of beads, different shapes of beads, and I wrapped them in forest green in case you do not have the beads in the particular shape that you want. So you create your own, you understand, using the seed beads. So that is it. Now that you've gathered it, you have your fishing line, or you have your beading wire, any one of choice that you have. Let's get started. Step 1. The first step I used here was I designed my bracelet. Lay out all these beads, all the beads that you picked, lay them on the floor. You understand? Lay them on a flat surface, and then arrange it the way you want to design it. It will help you design your bracelet design. Then alternate colors to create a pattern. This helps you visualize. You understand? Visualize your final piece before you start adding the beads. Yes, so visualize it first, lay them on a flat surface, arrange the thing, alternate it. Once you are done with that, then you are good to go. Then you know that the next one will be very easy. Most of the time, what I do is once after arranging it there, I take a screenshot of this arrangement in case something takes my attention off it and the beads scatter, and my plan, the things I had in mind to work on, I can no longer achieve it. Well, since I have a screenshot, I'll now use my screenshot to arrange my thing how I want it to be. It is time for stringing. Now start. Just as you patterned it on that flat surface, right? Just start stringing it in, threading the beads onto your wire. Now take your time to ensure that the beads follow the chosen design that you picked. Once you know that the bracelet fits you perfectly rather, and they are comfortable around your wrist, and you adjust if there is any need to size it with your wrist to ensure that that is the size of your wrist. Just step 3 is you now need to secure the bracelet. Kukuma, add your toggle clasps. So make a loop, make a simple loop, and add your cream bead, add your toggle clasps, and then all that. Or just get a jump ring. If it has a little opening where you can open and close up, it's easier for you to add any hook of any class of choice. As you remember, in case of earring, if you have not seen that of the earring, please check it and see how we made the loop, and close the loop with your pliers and trim off excess wire. The next one, which is your signature piece and your final touches. Notice that I did not talk about the accents that I used here. Yes, I didn't talk about it because the design is your personal choice. You understand? For me, I got lots of jump rings. I got lots of bead spacers, and I arranged and rearranged and alternated All I wanted is to just give it this luxurious look here. So for this project, so this last step is optional. This is my way of achieving a signature look that is consistent with my designs. And your bracelet is now completed, so feel free to experiment with different beads and patterns for future projects. This is very easy to make. All it needs is the beads that you have at home. Do not stress it. Thank you so much for watching this project. It's very simple and easy. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification for more beginner-friendly beading projects like this one. And also, see ya in the next video. Choose. Auf Wiedersehen. Bye.